Now that we have discussed what one-to-one is, and we've also discussed briefly what a screencast is, now I'm going to give you a brief demonstration on how to use a screencast. The first one I'm going to show you is screenr. The second one is screencast-o-matic. If you're wondering, I'm using the screencast-o-matic now, and you can tell that by the little yellow circle that is around my cursor. First off, screenr is a 5-minute only program, so you cannot record past that unless you want to upgrade into the GoPro. This is a web-based program only, so there is no download, which is nice for some of you. And all you have to do is click this launch screen recorder now, and you're ready to roll. I do have one brief example of a screencast that I have done. Here it is. I have turned off the volume because I don't want to talk over myself. But this was a brief screener that I made for my students when they're introducing our learning management system used in school, which is Edmodo. Handy program to use. Using a screencast-o-matic is now my new favorite, and you can tell I'm using that, like I said, by the little yellow circle. Once you go to the home page, you do have to download a program, so make sure you know that. It's a very small one, though. And the advantage over this one, I think, is the 15 minutes as opposed to 5 minutes. So it gives you a bit more time so you don't have to rush through it. You just have to press the record button at the bottom of your screen once you're ready to roll. And then you just start talking. It's very, very simple to use. If you would like to upgrade it, you can click on GoPro, and that will give you a few more editing tools, and it's only $15 per year. So, but if you're wondering, I'm using the free version right now. Very, very simple to use. I do have a brief little demonstration on what I've done. Here is a dormer that I've installed on a house. You can see here, as I'm going through this, you can see the yellow mouse is in here, and it's highlighting the roof and attachment currently. So my students are going to use this in order to teach them how to add a dormer to a house. So if you'd like to watch it, just go to YouTube and click on creating a dormer, and you can see it for yourself. So I hope this gives you a nice little insight into what a screencast is in two different ways. They're both good, and you're more than welcome to use either one. Just make sure that if you're going to go over 5 minutes, you would probably use the screencast. Thank you for your time, and I hope this gives you an overview of what a screencast is.